Hey there, and welcome. We are about to jump right into the world of artificial intelligence. You know, it's this massive force that's already changing, well, pretty much everything. And yeah, it's a huge topic, I get it. But today, we're going to find the perfect launchpad to get you started on your journey. So just think about that for a second. A world where machines can actually learn, adapt, and solve problems on their own? We hear about AI all the time, right? It's everywhere. But for most of us, the real question is, where do you even begin? It can feel super overwhelming. Well, that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. All right, so first up, welcome to the AI world. Let's just set the stage here. We are living in an AI world, whether we realize it or not. And you know, like any new territory, it's got its own language, its own rules, and honestly, understanding that language is becoming absolutely essential for everyone. I mean, this isn't science fiction anymore. AI has jumped right off the movie screen and into our daily lives. It is actively changing how every single industry operates. I'm talking everything from artists using it to create incredible new work to engineers using it to design way safer buildings. It's here. Okay, so we know it's important. We know it's here. But that question still hangs in the air. Where do you begin? Well, let's talk about your AI Launchpad. This is the ideal place to start your journey. And here it is, the CompTIA AI Essentials Certification. Seriously, think of this as mission control for your big AI adventure. It's been specifically designed to just cut through all the confusing jargon and make the core ideas of AI understandable for everybody. It doesn't matter what your job is or what your technical background looks like. And this is such a powerful way to think about it. Just imagine for a second how learning to read and write literally opened up entire worlds of knowledge for humanity. Well, in the 21st century, getting a handle on the basics of AI, it does the exact same thing. It unlocks a whole new universe of possibilities. It's really that fundamental. And look, this isn't just some abstract theory. We are talking about real-world power right now. For example, in healthcare, AI can help doctors spot signs of disease in medical scans way earlier than the human eye ever could. In finance, it's helping analysts predict market changes with incredible accuracy. It's all about building smarter, better solutions across the board. So where do we go from here? Well, our next step is all about practical skills and real responsibility. Because this isn't just about learning the how-to, it's also about understanding the massive responsibility that comes with wielding such a powerful tool. So your learning path is laid out in 3 really clear steps. It's super straightforward. First, you're going to grasp the core concepts, get that solid foundation. Then you'll see how all that stuff actually gets used in the real world. And finally, and this is so important, you'll learn how to navigate the huge ethical questions that AI brings up. Yeah, you're going to come across some of these key technical concepts, things like machine learning, decision trees, neural networks. And I know they can sound kind of intimidating, right? But honestly, the core ideas behind them are totally understandable. Take machine learning. All it really is teaching a computer to recognize patterns. Kind of like how you teach it to know the difference between a photo of a cat and a dog by just showing it thousands and thousands of examples. That's the basic idea. And it's how pros use these amazing tools every single day. And all of this power, it leads to what might be the single most important question we face with this technology. As AI gets woven deeper and deeper into our lives, how do we make absolutely sure that it's being built to benefit everyone? To be fair, to be inclusive? Answering that question means we have to tackle these key ethical checkpoints head on. No shortcuts. You'll dive into critical issues like bias. How do you spot it and get rid of it in an algorithm? For instance, how do we make sure a system for loan applications doesn't unfairly discriminate against people from certain neighborhoods? It's all about protecting privacy, demanding transparency, and at the end of the day, building systems that we can actually trust. Which brings us to our final section. Because getting these fundamentals down, that's not the finish line, not even close. It's actually the starting block for your own unique journey with AI. The best way to think about this certification is that it's just the beginning. It's kind of like getting a passport. The passport doesn't end your trip, right? No, it's the thing that lets you start exploring the world. And it's the same here. With these foundational skills, you can start applying AI to your own work, in your own industry, to whatever you're passionate about. Really, at its heart, this is an invitation. It's saying, let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock the potential of AI. It's a call to action, really, a call to join a community of people who are shaping a better future with this amazing technology. So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this one final thought. The Launchpad is right there, waiting for you. Your journey into AI can start right now. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build?